Have you ever heard the phrase numbers don't lie? Well, chances are you're watching this video because you're checking out myEcon. Maybe you're looking to join myEcon, and I want this to be the last video that you need to watch before you join myEcon. So if you're still doing your research, you can go ahead, scroll around here on YouTube, but when you're ready to join, I want you to come right back here to this video because this is the system, this is the team, we are the people that you want to join, period, end of story. And what you see right on your screen there is literally dozens and dozens and dozens of people joining our team because our system with myEcon works, period, end of story, undeniable proof that we have the best system to use with your myEcon business. So the emails that you're seeing on your screen, congratulations on your new personal recruit. Those are the emails that myEcon sends you when somebody joins your business. And as you can see here by the quantity, and I could scroll for days if you wanted to, but you'll see what I want you to pay attention to is right here over on the side specifically. It will say not just one email, but 3, 3, 5, 4, 13, 12, 3, 17, and I could just keep scrolling down and down and down and down. These are literally dozens and dozens and dozens of people joining me specifically because of what we do, who we are, and why our system works so well with myEcon and how effective it is. I am an infinity with myEcon, which is one of the highest ranks in their company, and we have built a huge team, and we have obviously done that very effectively. So when you team up with us, we're literally going to give you everything you need to start promoting your myEcon business today, over $10,000 in free value. So what do I mean by that? Let me share that with you. So when you join me and the funnel team, which is the name of my team, we have had this team for many, many years. We're going to give you a 100% done for you marketing system. It's literally going to be everything that you need to build and grow your business. Okay. We're going to give you all of your sales funnels, which means you don't have to worry about how to sell myEcon or what to say. All of that, we're going to give that to you. We're going to do all the email marketing for you. So when people go to your myEcon sales funnel, we're going to follow up with every single one of your leads for you on your behalf. So you don't have to pay for an autoresponder. You don't have to worry about what to say in emails, what to write, all that. We got you covered on that. We're going to train all your members as you start to build and grow your myEcon team. We're going to train all of your members for you to make that process easy for you. You don't have to worry about going to, hotel meetings or three-way calls or Zoom calls. We're going to handle all of that stuff for you. We're going to give you and your new team members step-by-step guidance from day one. And also, we share your link for you. I mean, plain and simple, if you want to make money with myEcon, you got to share your myEcon affiliate link so people can join. Obviously, we're going to show you how to do that, but we're also going to share your link for you, meaning that we're going to put you into our sales rotator, and depending on what level you join at, you can get between 1 and 10 clicks for every 100 clicks that comes in. So we're going to be sharing your link for you, which helps increase your chances to get more sales, plain and simple. And that's how our team members are winning because of this sales rotator and obviously all of the additional value that we offer. If you add all that up, it's well over $10,000 in free value because trust me, my friend, systems are not free. Video hosting is not free. Email marketing is not free. Page builders are not free, but we pay all of that on your behalf. So we run all of that in the background for you. And we give you a customizable app so you could learn how everything works. You could learn how to do the income producing activities. You get real-time lead notification right to an app on your phone when someone goes to your myEcon sales funnel. Okay, when they go there, boom, you're going to get a notification on your app and know in real time when someone's watching your myEcon sales video, and you could follow up with that lead in real time. This is how our members are closing more sales than any other team because of this custom app. This app actually costs me over $1,600 per month to run. And again, remember guys, systems are not free. They cost money, but we're giving this to you for free. That is one of the benefits of joining our team, okay? You're going to get this absolutely free. It's the best way to run your business from an app on your phone. So when you join our team, we literally give you everything that you need. So all of the training, the funnels, the custom app, the content, and the marketing, meaning we're literally going to give you grab and go pieces of viral content that our team is already using right now. We've already made all the videos for you. All you have to do is simply share them, and we're going to show you step by step how this process works, how you can share the pieces of content on social media. We teach you this strategy for free, so you don't have to pay for ads. You don't have to pay for things like Bing ads and YouTube ads and Facebook ads. No, we're going to teach you how to market your business for free. And again, this is why so many people are joining our team versus any other team, because of all of this incredible value. Okay. So again, we're going to email all of your leads for you. You're literally getting a done for you business in an app. And all you have to do, my friend, is watch, learn, and do. You go through the training on the app, you apply what we teach you, you start sharing your myEcon funnels out there on social media, and we show you the best and most effective ways to do that. So again, all you have to do is watch, learn, and do, just as if you were following a new recipe online and cooking something new for your family. You know how it works. You go look up the recipe, you go get the ingredients, you follow along, you cook it, you bake it, you do whatever you do, and then you serve it up to whoever's eating. It's pretty basic. And if you can do that, trust me, my friend, you can do this too. So like I said in the beginning, when you are ready to join, my friend, link in the description down below, or you could go to the link right at the top of this video and lock in your spot. Select your membership level. Doesn't matter where you come in. The most important part, my friend, is getting started, because plain and simple, documentation beats conversation, and what we do works, and it works really, really well. So get into myEcon today. Click the link in the description down below. Get started. Once you're on the inside, I will personally reach out to you. I will send you not only a text message, but I will also send you multiple emails giving you instant access to our team training site, to your app, and help get you up and running literally today. You could be making money today. It's as simple as that, my friend. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions at all, my phone number is in the description down below, or I had it right here at the top of this video. You could send me a text message and ask me anything, or you could just go ahead and get started, because you, my friend, are in the right place. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and get started. You're in the right place, you're on the right video, and you're about to be on the right team. I'll see you on the inside in just a few minutes. And trust me, my friend, it is much better to be on the outside versus sitting there watching, lurking, and being on the outside looking in, because action cures fear, my friend. And success is not found inside of your comfort zone. You got to push and you got to stretch yourself a little bit. And we're going to help you guys do that. So I'll see you on the inside in just a few minutes.